In this video, I'm going to go over some Chrome shortcuts you probably didn't know about. Quick thing about scrolling, you're probably used to scrolling with your scroll wheel up and down, but there are two other ways which are a bit quicker. Well, at least one of them is. If you just press the space bar, it'll scroll down by one page. What I mean by page in this case is, as you can see right here, at the bottom of the screen there's videos. Hit the space bar. Now these videos are at the top, so you're not missing anything by scrolling this way. And another way is actually using the mouse scroll wheel. So most computer mice have a clickable scroll wheel. If you click that anywhere on the page, this is just a random search that I pulled up here. If you click the scroll wheel, and then you can move your mouse to do a smooth scroll. And the farther you move the mouse away from the point that you clicked, the faster it'll scroll. So if you click all the way up here, you'll be able to move it very far down to scroll down fast, but it's only going to go up slow because you click so far to the top of the page. Now let's go over to some keyboard shortcuts. I apologize for part of the screen being cut off, but because this doesn't really impact the value in the video, I left it the way it is. I'm going to improve in the next video, so stay tuned for that. To open a new window, you can hit Control N, and that'll open a new tab in a new window. And to open a new incognito tab, you can hit Control Shift N. That'll open it in incognito. And to open a new tab in the same window, you can hit Control T. That'll open a new tab in the same Chrome window. And if you want to go back to the previous tab that you closed, so if you accidentally close the tab and you want to reopen it, you can hit Control Shift T, and that'll open the most recently closed tab. And if you want to go through all your tabs, Control 1 to 8 will take you through those, and then 9 takes you back to your last tab that was open, which is most to the right. To open the Bookmarks Manager, you're going to hit Control Shift O, and that opens your bookmarks. And if you want to open the Task Manager of Chrome, you hit Shift Escape. Oh, let's try that again. You actually have to have a tab open, and then here you can also see all your Chrome extensions that you have and manage them from there. And for the next few, I think I'm gonna have to have a page open, so let's just open a random website. Let's go with History of Canada, just because why not? Let's just click on the first link here, just so we have a website open. And if you want to now save this page, you can hit Control S, and then you can save the page in your File Explorer on your desktop as an icon or a link. If you want to print the page, you can hit Control P. These are very easy to remember, Control S and Control P. And that'll open options to print the page. And if you want to save the current tab or the website that you have open as a bookmark, you can hit Control D, and here you can save it as a bookmark. And if you want to save all these open tabs or whatever tabs you have open in the bookmarks in a separate folder, you can hit Control Shift D, and that'll save all tabs. And another neat little feature, you can hit F11 to go into full screen mode, and then you can browse full screen, and the taskbar and the search bar at the top is all going to be gone. If your top row of buttons have functions like my keyboard has, like in my case F11 is also airplane mode, you want to hit function and then hit F11, and then that's gonna trigger the button as if there was no other modes on it. And just a few more. You can hit Control plus and minus to increase and decrease the font or the page zoom. And if you wanted to return to the default, you hit Control 0, and that'll bring it back to what it's supposed to be. And here's the last one. So remember what I said at the beginning of the video, how you can hit space and scroll down? Well, if you hit shift and space, it'll scroll up. And that'll be it for this video. If you want to learn more about Chrome extensions and computers in general, consider subscribing to the channel and watch some of the other content that'll show up in the end screen.